Hi everyone, we're going to do a slight modification in the turn signal or the indicator or parking lights for the Civic Type R today. This came from, what is it called? Unity Performance. So it took about how many months to arrive? Apparently they're trying to make it, or could be the COVID season, who knows, you know. So the pre-order took a long time. So anyway, let's open it up and let's see what's inside. So it is a sequential amber turn signal, Unity Performance. There it is. Took a couple months to get it. And this is the amber with smoke look into it. White LED, that's right. So it stays white and yellow. Oh, so that's how it looks like. Quality wise, it looks pretty legit. It just doesn't look like it was pasted on. So as far as quality control, it looks okay. They got some Helix naming in there and SAE P2 DOT for Department of Transportation. Lens, so I guess that's the manufacturer, Helix, right over there. And I don't like this piece right here where they just punched a hole and kind of hard glued the positive wire for the blinker. Anyway, let's put it on. All right, tools that we need. This is going to be my flathead. It's like kind of long. My wire splitter, cutter. I'm not cutting anything, but you know, just kind of open up the wire, and then this hanger line and some blade so we can open up the wire. So let's put it on. Right over here, just take a peek at it and squeeze that pin right over here, or this plastic piece in the middle, and this will pop out. So that's how easy it is to take out your side markers for your bumper and fender. To unplug this right here, there's no room to it, so when it's tilted, you just need to squeeze that piece over here right there. Just kind of push it out and it'll come off. So this is off. Let's go ahead and we're just gonna clean this piece right over here, this dirt, and we'll put the new one in. We're gonna be reusing the plug right over here. Try to take it out with one hand. Here we go. You're gonna have to remove the bulb. And then this will go to the socket right over here. So in place of a bulb, because the LED, right? So we'll plug it in. I don't know if there's any certain directional on this, but let's just do a trial and error. Now that it's in, just like that, let's go put it in with the wire hanger. So I went ahead and just tied the tip of my hanger and just go all the way straight until you kind of just wiggle it around. There goes our wire right over here. That will be connecting to the blue wire and the green wire on the other side. So let's put this on and then we'll wire it up. All right, I just want to test it out. It looks like it turned on. So let's, as you can see, you can turn your wheel. It's up to you. Just turn it a little bit. So I didn't turn it all the way, but to plug it back in, I just kind of inserted my finger right here on the space right here and pushed in the plug. There's not a lot of room to pull that plug, so it's very easy. You know, work your way in, and let's wire up the front. All right, so on the Type R, instead of me removing this and plugging it on the tip, I could have done that, but I just made a little hole right over here. I didn't cut it. I cut the insulation, but I kind of just opened it up right over there. So I'm gonna solder it, tape it back, and reseal everything. So use the blue wire for the driver's side. As you can see right over here, it is blinking elegantly as and if you turn off the blinker, this is what happens when you turn off the blinker. It will just stays white. There you go, everyone. So I'm gonna put everything back, seal it, and make sure there's no water and get in there and things like that. So and then we know that this side works, and we're gonna go ahead and work on the other side. Actually, before you put it back, you see this tab right over here? That's to keep the distance from the fender and how flush it is. Because on the factory it's a little bit shorter, and this aftermarket is a little bit longer. Instead of bending your tabs, make sure you cut just a little bit of it, like that. Cut the tips. That way you have the same length as this one, or else it won't snap in. So that's how you do it. Okay. Same thing on the passenger side. You just come in there and reach over, right over there. Just reach in and this thing will pop off. Same idea. And we will reach under too. Oh, and you see that tab over there. You just kind of want to let that go and it'll come off. All right, so here we go. Passenger side. Gonna fish it out to the other side. So this is the reason why we're doing it at night. So we want to look at it when it's at night, because you know these are parking lights at night. So it looks good and it works. So I'm gonna cut the wire. I'll show you what wire to use on the other side. And oh, don't forget, we gotta cut the little tip right over here. Right there, we got to cut a little bit of it, that way it will latch on to the clip right here. So let's go ahead and wire it up, and right there, a little snip, not too much. All right, it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal the wire. So what I did also on the other side, I'm gonna show you right over here. That is the rig right now. I'm gonna seal it. I used the green wire right over there, and I just I didn't cut anything. I just opened up the insulation, and I'm gonna put everything inside this black plastic piece so it looks like it's factory, and tape it all up. I'm actually gonna use a sealant, that way that there's no water coming in there. As for the extra wire, I just tucked it in. Oh, sorry. I just tucked it in and taped it, and that should be good. And then we'll do the other side. So on the driver's side, it's also tucked in, taped it, and I didn't want to solder it because I want to, just in case I need to do to reverse the process. And there it is, everyone. Let's see our work. All right, so that one, it stays on the parking light. As we swoop around on this side, when it's blinking, it will turn off the light, the white light. So everyone, thanks for watching. Until next time, please subscribe. I hope that helps you when you want to decide and cut your $50,000 Type R wire. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for hanging out. More projects to come as always. God bless everyone. Take care, and I will catch you on the next one. Subscribe. Peace.